All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, and today is August 13th, and happy birthday to my son, baby Joe, 21 today, sweating his ass off down there in uh, Macomb, Illinois, and his girlfriend went down there and surprised him last night, and then she was in his room when he got there. Ah, isn't that sweet? Anyway, excuse me. Anyway, all right. So yesterday was a roller coaster, about a 4,500 point uh, range based on the globex and day session trading together, and yet we still, here's this trend line I drew on both sides. We are still inside. We touched below here yesterday, made a low down here at 2046, and then yesterday got back above 2061 and took out the globex high for the day, um, making a high up here yesterday of 2093. And lo and behold, when I look at the profile, that is going to be a key number right here. Look at this high volume area. We're going to have to get above this here, 2093.75, 9.5, for this market to start going back up on the upside. So, still in the trading range, but a lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. Here's the day profile. We filled in the gap. We went down. This was some action for the day. Here is 4,500 points. So the mode for the 20-day moving average right now is 2096. Like we said, these numbers have been contracting, and that's what the mode looks like. So looking at the overnight action, we've got a high of 2093, and we've got a low down here of 2076, let's call it. This looks unfinished to me down here. Okay. So I think we're going to get a two-sided trade today. Um, and this bottom certainly is unfinished too. So I think we got a lot of volatility. I mean, look, this is great when you get the volatility, and it gives you an opportunity to make some dough. So that's what we're looking at. I think we're going to get a two-sided trade, and right now going into the morning, okay. Let's take a look at the value areas, okay. So going into the morning, we are looking at, sorry, value area high of 2069 and a quarter, point of control of 2053.75, which is also the top of the middle that we had yesterday, and then 2047.75 is the bottom of value. Okay, we will have 2081.75 is the bull bear zone. Our 15-minute pivot is in a sell. Let's take a look and see what the 30 minutes doing. 30 minutes is a buy down here at 2077. Let's call it 2078 even, right? So, and then we have our bull bear zone at 2081 half. So, we've got to see if we're going to have enough momentum to get back inside of value today and test that VPOC from yesterday. Don't rule it out based on what's going on with volatility. Right now, the 5 minute pivot right here is in a sell, and it's up here at 2091 and a quarter, and all the sisters are in a sell. So, taking a little bit of profit back. I expect that to be sort of the mode. What's going on for this morning? They're gonna kick back to maybe to the value area high area here, 2070, and then from there, it's got to make up its mind. So, other markets, bonds topped out yesterday. It's 160.22. Still think that they're a buy. Okay, we're below value right now. I've got the bull bear zone at 157.25, 157.25. So keep an eye on that. Kind of like this big leg up, and we're trading below there now. So I'd be careful with the bonds had to go. Jobless came out this morning as expected. Not much of a reaction from the market based on that. Let's take a look at gold. Gold topped out 1126. Remember, 1130 was the bottom for a long time. Our bull bear zone's 1122. We're trading inside value. You know, I would, the top of value is 1119.39, 1115.97 here, and then 1109 and a quarter. Gold's right now. If it doesn't take out that 1130 area, I'd be selling against the 1130 area. So that's what I got going on with gold. And then the crude is moving on the down again. Very small range yesterday. Got a little bit of a rally, but I think it's going to have to get above $44 ish to get going. We got a bull bear zone today, 43.37. We're making new lows as we speak at 42.78. Look out. Got a low of 42.69. I'm looking for $35. Then everybody can get spooked and sell it down to 28 so I can get my stupid low and win my bet. All right. Stay with us on Twitter. We've been pretty, when the markets are volatile like this, our numbers work the best, and we've been pretty dead on. So make sure you stay with us on Twitter. Good luck trading. We'll talk to you later. Bye.